Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Shop Now button on Shopify homepage. So first, all you have to do is log into your Shopify account, and once you're in your account, click on online store and click on themes. So you'll see this interface. After that, all you have to do is click on customize. Now over here you will see this type of interface. So now when you scroll down, you can see the Shop All button. So just click on this button and you'll be able to edit this button. So here, let me change it to now. So here you can see the Shop Now button has been added. So now all you have to do is click on this all product, and here you'll be able to link this button to any products or collection that you have. So when you click on this button, it will be redirected to your product. So after adding Shop Now button, all you have to do is click on save. So that's it. That is how you can add Shop Now button on Shopify homepage. Now let's check if it works or not. Just go to online store and click on view. And there you go. That is how you can add Shop Now button on Shopify homepage. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.